Look the results of the war. We don't want it.
There is a regime that wants to do destruction. They will do destruction, and they're already doing destruction and have been doing so for years and years.
It's terrible because we feel everything. We grow up here and we see it's really destroyed.
My boyfriend's friend on his building, the rocket fell. Yeah, it was bad.
We have to defend ourselves.
I hope for all the Iranian people that they'll get what they deserve very soon. I hope for all the Iranian people that they'll get what they deserve, and this is freedom. They deserve freedom. They suffer too much.
I still have hope for the Iranian people.
We don't have problem with Iranian people. I think this is the governments who wants the war.
I feel them, and I hope that the regime will collapse.
And it's not their fault.
I wish them all peace and love.
Yeah, a peaceful life, everyone.
I pray for their peace. I pray for their freedom.
We feel for them. I hope that they manage to get rid of this horrible regime that is killing them.
I love the people from Iran. I love the people from Israel.
We love you. We pray for you. We want the peace.
We want peace.
I really give my heartfelt condolences to those who have lost their families and their places.
People of Iran and the people of Israel have a lot in common.
Only with forgiveness and compassion, we will become one.
We love them.
So I pray for the Iranian people, to the Palestinian people, to Israeli people. I think after this long time of wars, we deserve peace.
My blessing is that we should all be able to understand that we are here together on this earth to make something better, to make a better place, to love each other. And I hope that that happens soon.
We send them our love from Tel Aviv, and we wait to see them in Tel Aviv, and I wait to come to Tehran. I'm sure that it will happen, 100%.
We can go over and just like in the old days.
I pray that in the middle of the darkness, we can find light, and we will find it in God. Only when we put our eyes in God and Yeshua in our heart. And I pray for them that they can find that deliverance that is from the inside mostly, and that they can be transformed by His love.